good old boy who loves burning rubber and driving fast.
Welcome to Saturday, and it's raining. We knew it was going to come. It's nasty outside. Y'all take a look. And it's not like pouring rain, to be honest with you. It's just like mist. You can even see my breath a little bit. It's going to be a very long day. I think we're currently setting number 13. Had the tire shake battles yesterday. I don't know what's going to happen today, I'm going to be honest. The forecast looks terrible. Like all day terrible forecast. Nothing we can do about it. Hang out. Don't you just love these days?
So fun. The most fun you can have at a racetrack is when it's raining.
What is your chances? What do you think the chances are
we run today?
Yeah.
Like 20.
20%.
Like 20%.
I can't argue that.
There might be a window, but the odds of us making 2 today is like 1. Like a 1% chance.
What do you think, John?
What were you saying? You were saying something earlier. It's like the only way to save money is what?
Not run your car.
Not run your car.
But guess what? We want to spend some money.
And we'd like to run the car. We gotta go up and qualifying a little bit. So.
Yeah. And you know what? We've done good from like the 13th spot before.
A few times.
Yeah, a few times.
Got some. I was just about to say we've won some from 13. 13 is a lucky number for us.
Yeah, it has not been bad.
Thank you. What's up, brother?
What are you doing in here? Just
playing,
killing time,
just hanging out,
touching
pieces of metal. Just
yeah.
What are you doing?
Bored.
Rain makes me tired.
You know, it's funny. You know, you watch like the dogs on rainy days. They know better. They just sleep.
Yep. My dog just sleeps all the time. He just finds a cold spot on the tile and goes to bed.
Yep. Cylinder head, action, rockers. Shane's over here doing Molly things.
Doing the best thing you can do during rain.
Yep. Service racks.
Service your work.
We went from rain to mad dash scramble to get this thing put together. We are on time count now. Tell y'all that happened really quick. We went from we're not running today to boom, sun's out, track's dry, let's go. Mad dash scramble, but that's okay. These guys are pros. We're ready to go. Q3 coming up. on me down there. All right, wasn't spectacular, but it went right down the racetrack. Coming up on the finish line, it shut itself off, so I don't know if it made some pan pressure or not, but we got by our tire shake trouble spot. That's hugely important. Felt okay. I think it put a cylinder out, but hey, we got by the shake zone. Got some brand new fans in here. At least I hope they're fans. Yeah. Tell everybody who you are.
Woo! I'm not Steve Beasley. How you doing?
Good, good. First drag race, right?
Yes, first drag race.
What you
man,
think?
did well. I like the noise. It looks awesome.
Yeah, that's cool. Tell everybody who you are.
How you doing, man? Siddiqui Graham, Schluter Systems. Yeah. Did good.
Yes.
293.
Yeah, that's slow for us, to be honest.
That's slow
with
for you?
That's
That was fast. That was real fast.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that was cool, man.
You got the backstage. He won this. He won this opportunity to ride in the back of the truck.
First drag race, first time in New Hampshire.
And you got backstage access.
Backstage access.
Heck yeah. Everybody here keep telling me, just stick around, the weather will change. Y'all look. It is sun out now. It changed fast around here. Yes.
It changed.
It changed in a hurry.
Hurry fast. We down here, we scared me.
Yes.
It
Yes.
got better.
Got better in a hurry. Rolling up on warm-up 2 for the day. Still shocked and surprised. I think we're going to get all 4 qualifying runs in. I never thought that would happen. But we're about to warm up. Hopefully, seem to got the shake out of our system. Now we just got to complete the trip and move ourselves up in qualifying. I don't even know what we run, Marco. 389, 293, shutting off early. Let's warm it up and go again. Are we a single?
Yes, sir, we are a single. That's good.
Qualifying Mission Foods Top Fuel Eliminator. The call goes out to fire up Clay Milliken's Schluter Systems. Parts Plus Ford for Rick Ware Racing. Right-hand side of the racetrack. Because these cars, if you don't generate the wheel speed that you need, will shake the tire. We saw a lot of that yesterday when the track got real good in Q2. We're going to find out right away if Jim Oberhofer has the magic sauce with Clay Milliken. a shake and then put a head gasket out and goes 405 at 228 miles per hour. That car was wobbling the tire down low. Clay kept his foot buried in it, and then you saw the green flash out the back, and that is a telltale sign of a head gasket getting... out of the motor. Here's another look at the Play NHRA replay. We get the super slow-mo ISO shot here. Look at the tires. Kind of wobble in there, and it drives through it, and just about the point where the clutch starts to come in, it puts a cylinder out, pushes the head gasket out the front of the motor. Engine shuts off, and Clay coasts to a stop on the top end of the racetrack. So Clay Millican is going into eliminations out of the number 12 qualifying position. Now, that car has made a history out of winning from the bottom half of the ladder, so I don't think that's necessarily going to bother this team. What is going to bother this team quite a bit, I believe, is the fact that it hasn't run 300 miles per hour this weekend.
Yeah, I know that they'll lean into that going to tomorrow, but as we've seen from Clay, and especially Jimmo down there, doesn't matter where they qualify. Clay is always a threat.
Oh, no question. No question.
So we lost a head gasket there, y'all. Not what we were looking for. When aluminum and copper are burning, aluminum copper wasn't happy there, brother.
No, that's what makes the mess bad.
He keeps me safe, though. He can't make me act right, but he keeps me safe.
That's a job in itself.
So we had a valve train failure that turned into a head gasket problem, and you can see pretty much a blowtorch at that point. Oh, Jesse, I messed up your wiring too on your ignition plate.
It's okay, we got spares. We will figure this out.
Exactly. Got a little hot back there. Valve train issues are bad in a nitro car. Jesse, I know we hate when this stuff happens, but isn't it nice when it's not between rounds though, and you got time to just like go through it?
So every time I do it, yeah, I'm going slow, but I try to do it in between rounds, even if we don't have time.
Right.
You never know when you're not going to have time.
Right.
Like I try to do it. The biggest thing is the ignition. Like you can't run without this, but a couple cables, like you can easily send it EBTs. You can still run it.
Right.
Like that stuff.
Data cables you can do without.
This, it'll shut the car off.
Yep. Yeah, a little crispy critter there.
Yeah.
Freaking head gaskets, dude.
And 2's the worst spot because you got all the wiring right there. If it was the backside, 2 cables, call it a day.
Right. And you know what?
So many cables.
I don't know if it'll show up on the in-car, but it shot sparks in the car with me.
I fully believe that.
I'm like, somebody's got a blowtorch back there.
So now what we're doing is check phasing.
Yep. Basically timing, y'all. That's
Yep.
what that means. So really and truly, it looked spectacular, but it didn't even throw the rods out. Again, we had a little valve train issue. Not nearly as bad as what just happened to J.R. Todd. I probably won't show y'all that. He just had a big boomer, lost the body, the whole 9 yards. That's what I like about Top Fuel cars versus funny cars, right?
Our body's off, but it doesn't.
Yeah, exactly.
I used to work on a funny car, and man, it sucked.
Plus, you hit your head on the body all the time.
So picture what we just did to the body.
Yeah. It would have been way more cables and stuff involved. Yeah.
Just need a tire and body guy just for funny cars.
Yeah, exactly.
Somebody say tire and body?
Yeah.
I've done that once or twice.
Yeah, when you heard that boomer a while ago, you're like, "Oop, that's a funny car
I had
too."
to run into the other trailer to see who it was because, that not only is that hurtful to everyone, but the body, man, you don't know if you can repair that tomorrow. You might be getting the spare body out of the trailer.
Right. So long and the short of it, looked spectacular. It was a fireball, but all good. So as they get this thing wrapped up, I'm wrapping up this video. Appreciate you guys, as always, watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. ClayMillican.com for that merchandise. I will see you guys on race day, New Hampshire. I hope we're holding a wally at the end of the day with a lobster. Let's go. Race day tomorrow. See ya.